Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will show you on how I harvest my kale. But before that, let's take a look on how it started. So keep on watching! So guys, these are my 2 weeks old kale from seeds. And after another 2 weeks guys, na-transfer ko siya sa mas malaking container. Ang ginagamit ko palang lupa guys ay yung potting mix para safe. So, ayan na po siya guys. After weeks of repotting, medyo naka-adjust na po siya. And eventually, ayan na siya guys. Nagustuhan niya yung potting mix at lumago na siya. Sa napapansin ko din guys, gusto niya ng exposure ng sunlight. So, this is it guys. This is my first harvest ng aking curly kale. And I love it so much. And take note guys, these are all organic. I also like the texture of the leaves. So, sobrang crunchy niya at tsaka makapal at tsaka wala siyang mga butas-butas. Since this is my first time to harvest, kinukuha ko lang yung mga mature leaves niya. Gustong-gusto ko yung mga texture ng curly leaves niya at tsaka excited na din ako matikman yung taste niya. So, since this is my first time guys, and I-experiment ako after harvest, na lagyan ng mga oregano leaves ang pot para pantaboy ng mga insekto. Bini-breakdown ko lang yung mga leaves niya guys para lumabas yung amoy, and we'll see in the next video guys kung effective ba yung ginawa natin. So ito na po guys ang ating first harvest ng ating kale, and thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!